All right, here we are with the amazing electric callus remover for feet. Now, this doesn't just only have to be for your feet, but works amazing for your feet, as I will show you in just a second. This is what it looks like. It also, so we got the first head right here, which is the most light head. It's like, it's not as rough. This is the least rough head. It's more for like daily use. Then you've got sort of like the medium roughness right here. And then you've got the rough head right here, which is going to be for, you know, old calluses. If you've had calluses for a long time, you're going to want to use this one. I'm just going to use a light one for right now. As you saw, it has this nice little cover at the top. Here is the charger right here. Also comes with this vibe right here. So what we are going to do right now is, actually before I'm going to zoom it down on my feet. To turn it on, we're going to press this button. I'm just going to introduce it to you just right now. That's in mode 1, and you can see there's sort of like lighting. You can't really see it, but this is like mode 1 and the battery charge and all that stuff. Press it again, and this is what it sounds like. Press it again to go to mode 2. That's mode 2. And now, before I use it, let's angle this down here, right here. So you're gonna wanna wash your feet. I'm just gonna wet my feet down, but you can wash your feet down here. And then we'll go ahead, we'll turn this back on. We'll go to mode 2 just to show you. And you just sort of run it along your feet. Get rid of those calluses, wherever the calluses are at. Maybe you got them right here. And you're just running it along. Pretty sweet. Oh, it also has this light function right here. You press that button, and there's a light right there. Turn it off. Press it again. So pretty sweet. And then once you're done, take some lotion. Just apply it, and you're good to go. So as you can see, this is the vibe right here. This is what you need, and I highly recommend it.